What's up, guys? Welcome back into the Millennial Profit. My name's Adam and I'm a full-time reseller. If you're new here, I'll show you all different kinds of ways to make money. So if you like money, hit that subscribe button. So today we have the 50% off Kohl's clearance event where all of the yellow tags, the yellow clearance tags, are an additional 50% off. I called this out in bread and butter to have all the members ready, and we're ready to go. Last night we had the online clearance event and it was pretty solid. Today we've got the in-store clearance event, so it's going to be an absolute movie. Let's get out there and hit some stores. Here is all the haul, and Sonny, who just had to get himself in that time lapse. Anyways, let's run down the haul. We got it over here as well. Let's start on over here. First off, we've got these bravadas here. Again, an additional 50% off the tag. So these were 24 bucks, going for like 55 to 65. I'm going to just touch on the major hits. Got a lot of individual shoes in here, so we'll just touch on the major ones. We've got these boots here, AdTech. Additional 50% off of that, $52, so $26. Prices were kind of all over the place on these, but these were steel toe winter Skechers boots, half off of the $57, and those go for like 65 to 70. This whole row are these maroon Under Armour shoes, so those are really nice. So about 25 bucks on those, and if I remember correctly, those going for like 60. This row here, a couple different kinds. We got a couple different colorways of Gel Venture 9s. We got some Gel Excite 8s, but those were all like $27, $26. Really good prices. Asics go anywhere between like $60 and $80, and they sell pretty quick for me. Next, we got these waffles. This was a really good find. $26 on these waffles, go for 60 bucks all day long. Under them, actually, that's what all of these and that one are. Really cool Air Max colorway here. Prices weren't great on these right now, but I'm buying long-term for Christmas. So they're about $31 right now. Selling for like $65, $70, but I know I can get upwards of $75 plus authentication likely, or even just $75 free ship at $30. And these will be gone before Christmas. Got these Nike Interact runs here. All black colorway, so they'll go really well. 30 bucks, should go for like 70. This one is the same as this one, so let's look at this guy. These Flex Experiences always go really well for $55 to $60 and only 22. Those will sell fast. Again, rest of those are pretty much Air Maxes and similar ones like I just showed. We'll talk about that hat next. These are a volume play. Should be this whole stack. Yep. These go for like $55 to $60 as well, and they were $22, so they'll sell all day long on these Nike Revolutions. And we randomly found this Yankees hat here, which the tag apparently fell off. It was on really loose. It was one of these. It was 30, so it was actually 15, which seems like a lot for a hat, but Fanatics has this exact hat that they have sold twice. And whoops. And this checkerboard one goes for like $45 to $50, so easy money there. Sonny would like to show us the Adidas. We got the Adidas dailies, $21 on those. Same colorway, but different boxes, which is kind of weird. These sell really well for $55 to $60. I've had really good luck with these and sold hundreds of pairs of those. We got these New Balances, Arashis. Those always do well. $22. I've been selling these for like $55, $60. Then we got some Converses, just a couple different colorways, but they're all Malden Streets, which I do well with. $21, and they sell for like a minimum $55, $60 as well. Pretty much the same margins on a lot of these. We've got these sandals here, $13.50, and they sell, when I say all day, I mean all day, for $40. So margins aren't fantastic on those, but these will all be gone within like a month likely. These Skechers, $20, and these go for like $60. Those were easy money. Another pair of Skechers, $22.50. I want to say those were going for like $60 as well. These sandals here, half off of $33, so about $16.50. Those go for like $50. Under them, yeah, that's similar to the other ones I just showed, and that's another pair of those. And then under them, we got these Bugaboots, which said $60, but when I scanned them in the app, they actually came up at like $26 per pair. So that's obviously not half of $65, but those sell really well for like $65 to $70. Then lastly, if you watched my last Kohl's clearance video, I picked up a bunch of these. I found some more scraps. So I got what, 10 more pairs of these Pro wedges, which are like $36.25, and they go all day long for $100 plus. So that about wraps it up. That's 6 stores down. I get a lot of people that comment, oh, I went to my Kohl's during their clearance event and I didn't find much. Well, you probably just hit one. As you saw from the video montage, some of them I only picked up 3, 4 pairs, but some of them I picked up bags upon bags full, and before you know it, I had a cart full. So the more you can hit, the better. I still plan on hitting like 2 or 3 more tomorrow. And the best part about this sale is actually they were stacking Kohl's Cash. So anyone without a Kohl's card is getting $10 Kohl's Cash for every $50 spent. If you've got a Kohl's credit card, you're getting $15 Kohl's Cash for every $50 spent, which makes the margins even greater because I just got about $400 or $500 in Kohl's Cash with all this. So I'll just get a bunch of free stuff next week when that kicks in. Anyways, though, if you don't want to miss out on the next clearance event like this, be sure to check out my group, Bread and Butter. First link in the description. Keep on hustling, everyone. Q4 is right around the corner, and we're ready to make that money. There's some money to be made everywhere, guys. Let's go get it. Thank you for watching The Millennial Prophet.